faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, that feels good to shout. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and I look droopy and tired. That's because I'm just rolling on the bed. I slept in this morning. Hi, you want juice? Yes. Juice? Come for juice. Honey, come for your juice. Sarah, juice.
Before lunch.
Whatever you want to do.
Hi guys. It's Sunday. I want to say Sunday morning. It's Sunday lunch time. Somebody was extra tired this morning when she worked hard all week. So at least on Sunday she deserves a little extra.
Babe, see, I was snoring, and once you hear I'm snoring, you know I'm tired. That's the only time I snore.
That's her. That was her this morning. Choo 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 choo. I mean, I was beside you. I was like this. What I'm gonna do, and when I hear you, I say, oh, don't touch her. Get out of the bed. Go in the living room, and yeah. Then she become a tiger. A tiger after. She's miserable. She's miserable when she's hungry. She's miserable when she's tired. She's miserable when she have a headache. She's miserable when she wants to be miserable. And what else? When she don't get what she wants, she's miserable. Yeah, she's miserable.
You finish?
Often.
You finish?
So at least the hungry one is the more dangerous. She bites. You better not leave your finger crossed too. Yes, I'm done now.
You're venting? Yeah. They feel your pain. They really feel your pain. Sarah, something in her hand. In your hand, babe!
Daddy?
Here?
Come for your juice, Sarah.
Mama, Sarah lose her first teeth.
But Jesus, how Sarah will lose her first teeth and she's a baby? Sarah, come for your juice. Anyway, you guys, so since I just woke up and everybody else had breakfast without me, babe had his French breakfast. You know, it's not a Jamaican breakfast.
Yeah, his French breakfast. He just went in the snack section and took what he wanted.
He just had a cookie and some juice.
Right.
Cookies.
Right. Half
anything
cookie.
Sweet.
Half cookie because it was
French
only
people have breakfast.
It was only half cookie remained, so half cookie.
French people have sweet things for breakfast and juice. They don't have. They rarely have tea.
But you know, that's something that we take mainly like croissant or jam, like sweet things. But in the same time, if we go into the hotel and we have the time and everything is there, we're gonna take the egg, we're gonna take the ham, we're gonna take all of these things.
Oh,
so I think it's also a question of time.
No, it's not time, it's tradition.
Yeah, but for time as a breakfast, I mean, at home you don't want to cook all of this. We don't want to do that in the morning, so we just take her.
So y'all just lazy, that's what you're saying?
Yeah, a tea or coffee or some things that you don't have to cook. We don't want to cook for breakfast.
Mama.
A jam on bread and tea. Come say good morning to the face. Come say good morning to the face.
Salty cake.
Kate, Faves didn't saw the kids. Tyler said Faves didn't see the kids. Sarah, look up. Look up. She playing with Tyler. Look. Say cuckoo to Faves. Look up.
What?
Say hi. Say hi. Tell Faves hush. Tyler, stop your eyes. They can't even see you. Say hello.
What?
Sarah, say hi. Say hi. Look up. Say cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Mi devo fare di casa. Mi devo fare di casa. Mi devo fare di casa.
Alright, so not finish now. Go on. Go on, you and your sister. Go play. You finish eating? Go and sit and finish eat. Anyway, you guys, now that you guys have seen the chaotic family, I am going to finish drinking my green juice. That's what I'm drinking, and if you're wondering what's in my green juice, it never changes. Celery, cucumber, apple, ginger, lemon.
No, merci.
And I didn't blend it, I juiced it in my juicer. See it here, right here. Out of the kitchen, go find Tai Tai. And I am jumping right into brunch for myself. And then dinner right away. You see, I have a pot here cooking saltfish because as I wake up I feel for ackee and saltfish. I was gonna have it for lunch, but then I said no, why not make it for dinner for everybody? So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, stick and stay. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay safe. It looks beautiful outside today. It's sunny, blue skies, and I know a lot of you not having that unless you're in Jamaica, then that's your status. But if you're in London, if you're in England, UK, you're freezing, girl. So I send you a little warmth. Though we are cold, we are chilly, but not freezing, especially in the day at this time.
That in the morning at 7 a.m.
In the morning, it's cold, and in the night, it's freezing.
When the sun
like
is
night.
out, it's getting chilly and cold. But otherwise, during the day, you don't need no jackets. It's
so nice outside at this time. Anytime after 12, between 12 and 3, it feels so good. You totally forget that it's winter. But night and the morning, baby's having lunch, baby's having what we made yesterday for dinner. And if you didn't see what we made for dinner yesterday, we made our first French dish together, and it was so good. It was a delight. So baby's having the rest of that for lunch. Well, I'm just gonna have some eggs and something. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop my rambling and get going because I have a lot of things to do before I get all my work done. These two, look at them. Tyler, take time with her. So while I'm cooking, I am also making tea for a few days because our stash finished this morning. And in here is a bunch of things. Okay, I have ginger, turmeric, garlic, 1 clove of garlic somewhere. I think it's right here. And I have orange skin. I'm gonna add lemon to it, but I'll do that after it finish cooking. And I have a dash of black pepper, that's what you're seeing here, and I have a dash of coconut oil. And now I'm gonna add water to this, bring it to a boil. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this boil for about 15 minutes, and then I add the lemons to it. Hi there, you guys, it's been a long day. I decided to take my Sundays these days to take care of me. Yeah, so I did that and I finished cooking. A long time ago. So let me show you guys what I did before I went to do a little self-care. So that's the ackee and sawfish right there, looking good, good, good. And I made some veggies. This is broccoli and green beans. And I made some rice for the boys. And then I also had went ahead and make our tea for a few days. And this have turmeric, ginger, garlic. I'm sure if you didn't skip through the vlog, you would have seen everything that's in this. So yeah, my job in the kitchen is done. And now I have some work to do. I have a bunch of editing to do. So I'm gonna do that. Sarah's gonna wake up any minute from her nap. And yeah, we can get our day well on our way. You guys, that's the visual on dinner. That's actually baby's plate. Mine have just a little bit of rice, but it's for Sarah. Why are you giving them that face? Hmm? Why are you giving that face?
My face is nice.
You guys, I'm coming on to end the vlog because I'm going to bed.
You going bed?
Yes.
Yeah, go bed.
Me I got me bed, me tired.
Right. Where's your bed? Which parish is your bed? Huh? Well, we should do that in the house. We put every room have different parish.
That's a good idea. That's a very good idea.
We put St. James on top of your bed. Yeah.
And what you gonna put on top of yours?
Me?
Well, if mine is St. James, there's gonna be St. James too.
No, I'll put St. James for you and St. Elizabeth for me. So we have a border. We close, but we still have a border.
And then I'll tell you when you can cross over my border.
Yeah.
When we can cross over.
No, you're gonna cross the border. What I'm gonna do in St. James?
Well, what do you want to do in St. James?
What I'm gonna do in St. James?
Whatever you want to do.
You see, I know geography of Jamaica. I could have said Portland and St. Anne. I mean, they don't touch. So I took two states that touching each other. St. James
two
and
parish without state.
Yeah, two parish that touching each other.
Well, whatever you want, come do in St. James, go right ahead.
So Tyler is, Sarah is St. Anne.
So why you think Sarah all the way to St. Anne and Tyler is what? St. Catherine?
No.
Tyler have to be St. Catherine because him always saying up on the Gaza. So you haven't put Tyler in St. Catherine. You haven't put Tyler in Port more. You not accept nothing less.
Tyler not gonna survive
Tyler,
in St.
Gaza.
Catherine.
Why not?
You're not gonna survive in ghetto state. In ghetto parish.
What do you mean ghetto parish?
Ghetto parish.
Love my parish alone. You're fresh. What ghetto parish?
Ghetto parish.
Every night we come to end the vlog, you always talk about some Jamaican something. You're obsessed with my country?
No.
You love Jamaica, man, you know. End the vlog, man. Even though I know faves want to hear you go on a rant at all times. They love to hear you go on rant.
What am I doing now?
End the vlog.
I'm ending the vlog.
Baby, my hand tired.
If
seriously.
you're happy and you know it. She's tired already. Alright guys, if you like this video, you give a thumbs up. How you say thumbs up in Jamaican?
Thumbs up, thumbs
up. If you like your comments, comment down below and
subscribe if you're new. Go and check out my two other channels, Mel's Kitchen Jamaica and Body After Baby. The link is down below. Continue.
And okay, you continue. And turn on the notification bell. And we see you guys.
Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye guys, he's a fool.